Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the reactions. So the reactions to identify a specific group of amino acids. So this is to identify specific groups, and this is of the AA. What is meant by AA stands for the amino acids. So the first reaction we are looking at is the biuret reaction. So what is special of the biuret reaction? It's a specific group or amino acid. There is the presence of two peptide linkage. And this occurs in the biuret reaction. Next is presence of the nin-hydrin reaction. So biuret reaction, two peptide linkage. In nin-hydrin reaction, it is going to be the presence of the alpha amino acids. So there is presence of the alpha amino acids. Next in line we have the xanthoprotic reaction. So xanthoprotic. So in the xanthoprotic reaction there is a presence of the benzene ring. So it's easier to know because usually they can be X and O, that's how we represent. So it is a benzene ring. It's a benzene ring of the aromatic amino acids. Next we look at the Millen's reaction. So what is the Millen's reaction? So in terms of the Millen's reaction, this includes a specific group of or amino acids. This is nothing but the phenolic acid. There is presence of the phenolic group. So Millen's reaction, there is a presence of phenolic group, that is there is tyrosine. There is presence of the tyrosine. Next we look at the Hopkins-Coley reaction. It's easy to remember, Hopkins-Coley reaction. So Hopkins-Coley reaction, there is nothing but the indole ring. The indole ring, what should come to our mind is the tryptophan. Next we move on to the Sakaguchi. There is a Sakaguchi reaction. So in terms of the Sakaguchi reaction, there is the guanidine group. Okay. So S for G. So this is for the guanidine. So there is a guanidine group. The guanidine group is nothing but there is presence of the arginine. Next in line we have the NP reaction. So what is the NP reaction? NP reaction stands for the nitroprusside. This is a nitroprusside reaction. That is there is presence of the sulfhydryl group. That is a cysteine. There is presence of sulfhydryl group, that is a cysteine. Next in line we have the sulfur test. So in terms of the sulfur test, it's easier. So sulfur S for the sulfhydryl groups. So it is for the sulfhydryl groups. So sulfur for the sulfhydryl groups, here there is presence of the cysteine. There is presence of cysteine. Next is the presence of the Pauli's test. So what's happening in the Pauli's test? The Pauli's test, there is a specific group of amino acids. These are known as the imidazole. So it's easy to know that is it is pi. Pi is a mnemonic. So Pauli's test is for the imidazole ring. There is imidazole ring. And this is nothing but the histidine. Then comes the Fallon-Ciocaltius test. Ciocaltius test. So here there is a presence of the phenolic group. There is presence of the phenolic. The phenolic group is involved here, and this is nothing but the tyrosine.